Tutorial on how to write a bid on Acculynx. First, we're going to pull up the map and measurement. Okay, now we got the map measurement over here. We'll go down to this page. We're going to go back to overview, estimates, new estimate. You can use any template you want. Gutters, siding, roofing, remodeling, insulation. So it's going to be roofing. Next, we're going to use a steep slope, low slope roofing exactment line items. Alright, here it is. Tear off, remove shingles. Okay, we're going to go over to the map measurement. There's 20 square coming off. We'll type in 20 square. Okay, remove second layer of shingles. If there's a second layer, we would put that in this column right here. I'm going to put 20, and I'll make a note at the end that says if there is 2 layers, this would be the extra charge for that. And then for the install, excuse me, we're going to do, it's going to be about 10% waste on this roof, so we're going to do the 20 squares off plus 10%, which is going to be 22 square. Okay, ice and water shield. To figure that out, we're going to take the eaves, which is 91 feet times 2, because we need 2 rows. That comes 182 feet. And then we're going to add the valleys, which is 51 foot. So we got 182 plus 51 equals 233. Okay, this ice and water comes in 3-foot rolls. So you take that 233 times 3 to get your square footage amount. That's going to be 699 there. Okay. Then you got the ice and water shield. So to figure that out, we got 20 squares coming off, and we're going to use 7 squares of ice and water shield. So that means we need 13 squares for the underlayment. So we're going to put 13 square right there. Install starter shingles on rakes and eaves. So we're going to take the rakes and the eaves, which is 91 plus 148. 91 plus 148 is 239. So we got 239 there. Install hip and ridge shingles. Well, let's look at that. Ridge 74. There's no hip on this one, so we're just going to go 74. If there's hip or if there's ridge, you just add them together. That number goes there. Valley metal, we have valleys 51 feet. Drip edge gutter apron. That's your rakes and your eaves, 239. Detach and reset gutters. If we had to do that, we'd put this in here, but we shouldn't have to. This particular house is a 10-10 pitch, 10-12 pitch, I'm sorry. So we're going to put 22 square right there. We're going to get rid of these other pitch ones because we don't need them now. Second story charge, does not have second story. He does have 4 turtle vents. We get rid of the install ridge vent. If it's difficult access, you could charge that. There's a line item in Exactivate for that. Reflashing of the skylights. An open cornice return. Most houses have that. And if they do, insurance pays about $100 per, so it's a nice little line item if it is on the property. I'm going to get rid of this one. This one has 2 pipe boots, 1 small brown, no big brown, exhaust cap through roof, nope, lead boot. If they had an OSB board, we'd put this there. That's per sheet. So if it's 1 square, that's 3 sheets. Detach and reset satellite. If we had a satellite, we would do that. Every job is 1 dumpster. Gutters, remove it, and then they have a gutters line in here too if you want to do gutters quick with the job, but I'm going to get rid of these. Okay, then right here it tells you basically this is the job cost, what it's going to cost to do the job. This is the profit. These numbers are pretty close, they're off a little bit, and that's your estimate. Go to preview, there it is, that easy, and then you just email it to the adjuster. That's a supplement.